Hello my friends, I'm going to show you how to block social media tracking on Microsoft Edge. So first of all, you need to install a software, so you need to go to Microsoft Store, and here let's search for AdBlock Plus. Let's install it. You might get the option to log in or something like that, but if you don't, this will be all of the install from Microsoft Store. After we have done this, we need to go on this page. Let's open Microsoft Edge, and you will get a confirmation that you need to enable AdBlock Plus. So just press it and it should be okay. Go to this page, and here you will have to disable social media. Press on this dialog and you will get this option. Here just enable this, just click it and it should work. So for me, it seemed that the first time didn't work quite well. When I pressed this, it didn't check. In that part, I just reload the page and it all works. After that, go also to this link. I will leave the link in the description, and just press on this subscribe. This is actually the whitelist and the block list for the social media that you will need to filter. And you can see on here on the advanced, you have Fanboy social blocking list a minute ago has been updated. This way you can actually block all the social media on Microsoft Edge. Thanks for watching, subscribe and leave a comment if you like. Bye bye.